the project is, can we take this bike and get it to the point where he loves it and I love it too? Thanks to Kimpex, we're gonna put some stuff on this bike to make it something that I wanna drive. All right, go get the Brute. The difference between my socket set and your socket set is, my socket set has all the sockets and it's clean. So we're putting on the Highlifter lift kit. All I know are the stickers. That's it. I'm qualified to put stickers on the bike. That's it. It's a lot of screws.
I'm just gonna go off like that. I'm gonna hold this down.
Sure.
I'm doing over here.
Okay.
There we go.
Same on this side, I guess.
Yeah.
So all that lifts is really that piece of metal.
Yeah.
That's it.
Those are 16s. I'm gonna grab a 16 wrench and socket.
Deep socket. I was really surprised how easy it was to put the Highlifter kit on. Like that's it? That's all you do to lift it? Basically you just unscrew the shocks from the mounts, you put the lift in, and then put the shocks back on. She's only 17. Some says that's too young, but that's all right for me, yeah?
Probably shouldn't put that on camera.
It's a song. And it came out when I was 15, so I thought 17, that's old. And I was talking about the age of the bike, by the way.
More than that.
Is that good?
Yeah, for now.
Okay.
This crap.
Hey.
These are the ones they want us to use.
Want to shoot this way to get his face? Because we're not getting his pretty little face.
Oh yeah, true.
Because he's shooting my stomach and my fat ass, and then you can get him that way.
Now I'm going back here. We have to get this to come down, but this wheel.
Is it because the tires are too high?
No, why would it have anything to do with the tires?
I don't know. Do you want to take the pressure out of them?
The bike's. I wonder if I jack it up a bit. The bike up more. There you go.
Hey, physics. Remember grade 12 physics? No, you don't.
I didn't take grade 12 physics. Afraid of that.
I told him he took grade 12 physics. He said, frig that. See, like all this, we'll get this all painted up nice. Well, we're gonna put the new shocks on anyway.
Yeah.
Those shocks are going. So when we put the Alcas on, we're gonna have to, we just take these off.
Yeah.
So it's just that bolt and that bolt, that's all we gotta do? Wow, it's gonna be awesome. All right, baby, we're gonna work. Take it right in.
Yeah, tighten it all the way up.
If not, it's gonna fall off, eh? Yeah, those are, it's just dirty. Does it hold together? Holy smokes.
That definitely sits higher.
Yeah. I think that's why you're gonna want the spacers. So is that done, or is there more stuff to do in the back?
That's how it's done, I think.
Like that's it? That's all you do to lift it? Wow. It's interesting the things with a few bolts that you could do at home, where you usually take it to the dealer and pay, you know, $100 an hour for them to do it. And because you don't usually have any confidence. Well, here, that was a lot more simple than I thought it was gonna be.
I definitely used too many washers on those. Do we have more washers somewhere? You must have washers somewhere.
I have right big ones, that's it. I don't have like a collection.
I'm gonna go up to the garage and look.
Okay.
So I use the washer on the front and back, as I usually do.
Right.
On everything.
And they didn't want that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I must have some for all the car parts
All right.
sitting up there.
What we just did is we put the Highlifter kit on the bike. So it was quite simple. It's probably one of the most simple things we're gonna do. besides the rad relocate. I mean, what was easy about the rad relocate is all the plumbing had already been done. We'd already routed all the hoses and did that. We just needed to get the casing off, because as you can see, with that 4 different welding spots, it just kept breaking. So the Highlifter, we have a Highlifter lift kit, and we have a Highlifter rad relocate. Christy just said supper's in an hour, so we gotta get our arson gear. Let's get the Highlifter kit on the bike. Didn't get put in there by mistake. All right, nothing underneath there.
Same color as the back one. Oh, there it is.
Where? Inside. All right, here we go. Walking where I are yet. All right. And that goes through there. Woohoo, look at that. That does sit higher.
Still gonna put the sway bars.
Yep.
The sway bars are back here, you know?
What do the instructions say?
Well, what time is it?
We'll be able to put them on. You did that pretty quick. Or do you want to put the winch on? That's light.
I don't know where these are. You want to bring the jack around, Ben?
Sure. That's what creases all that wear. And get rid of that stuff. I'm just telling you, like if that falls, you're dead. Well, I'm gonna. Don't be whining about it. You can't do it while you're sitting there. No. No, but just, it's better that you're not here. Jacob's getting grumpy. Find that wrench.
Another day and we just trying to make a way now. The hatred growing stronger every single day now. I hear these rappers, they ain't trying to talk about it. They ain't trying to get involved, and they would rather catch a wave now. But how cool is the gunplay when the strays will hit the playground, eh? But never mind about that, cause once you make it out, you think this world just don't affect you anymore. Until somebody from your past come back to settle the score. Like Tupac on September 7th, man in this fight against hate.
Yeah, you did a good job.
I'll put the other one on.
I'll give it a whirl. All right, so I guess I'm solo. That's what I gotta do. So if somebody wants to get a Bud Light over here to shine some light, and I'm gonna try this myself. Computer nerd, putting on lift kit, take one. Now where's the, is this the right one? That's the right one. That's what I need. Where the heck is that? It doesn't, you take it all the way off or nothing. What am I doing here? Oh, this is gonna be fun. And the sleeve goes in. On the inside. Oh, smart. I get it. That was the problem. That's why it was cockeyed. That I didn't need to take apart. So, yes, I did. I needed to get rid of the washers on both sides. So we need to do that. through the other side, then another washer. I paid to have lift kits on, but I never put one on. This is kind of cool. I like learning this stuff. Sometimes you can't blame the instructions, you just got to blame your reading comprehension. So if you're going to be a mechanic, it's still good to go to school and learn how to read. Oh, that's too fast. All right, look at that. We now have a lift kit fully installed. Only 3 swear words, that's pretty good. Okay, here's a wrap.
No, get it out of my face. That won't move.